Good morning, everyone. Welcome to another vlog. You already know what it is. It's the morning time and we are about to get breakfast. So here we go, guys. Let's go get breakfast in town. Guys, we just got done eating breakfast at this place called Suka Espresso. It was one of those places that we went yesterday and it was so good that we decided to take you guys along with us. So right now I am headed to do laundry. I'm going to show you guys how we do laundry in Bali. If you guys been to Southeast Asia before, it's pretty much the same. So here we go, guys. Let's do some laundry. So there you go, guys. That's how simple it is to do laundry in Bali or in Southeast Asia in general. That whole bag costs about 65,000. So that's about, I would say, under $6 to do that entire bag because we got it express. So it should be ready either this afternoon or tomorrow morning. But yeah, I wish all places in the United States or in Hawaii in general would be just as quick or just as cheap to do laundry just like that. So whenever you're in Southeast Asia, it's pretty much easy just to hand off your laundry to the laundry service and get it done like that. It's so convenient, so cheap. So yeah, that's how you do laundry in Bali and in Southeast Asia, guys. All right, guys, it is around 11 o'clock in the morning. There's one more thing that I want to show you guys today. That is where we normally get our lunch, and this place is amazing. It's like a hidden gem, I guess, to tourists, but a favorite spot for most locals. So I'm gonna take you guys there, and we've been going here like every single day, and it's so near our house or our villa that I just had to show you how good it is. So here we go, let's go to this place, guys. So I don't know if you guys can see this, guys, but I'm gonna zoom in for you guys. It's right over there, this place called Ayam Bakar Bali Tulen. That's where we've been going for lunch every day, guys. Every day. Hello. So these are the prices right over here, guys. This is what we usually get right over here. The Ayam Bakar, 20,000, and that is barbecue chicken. So really good. Best thing on the menu would be the Ayam Bakar. So guys, we got the bag right over here. So I got 3 Ayam Bakars and a side of rice for 71,000, and the price for that is $4 US, guys. $4 US. How cheap and amazing that is for lunch for 2. So I'm gonna walk home right now, and then I'm gonna let you guys know what we're finally doing today, this afternoon, in a few minutes, guys. All right, guys, I don't think we mentioned this at all today, but this afternoon we are doing what, baby?
Rafting, river rafting.
White river rafting here in Ubud. It's one of the top things to do while you're here, so we're gonna take you guys along with us. And yeah, guys, let's go. You guys made it this far. Thank you guys for watching. This will probably end the vlog. Any last words, babe? Peace out, guys.